How to put digital creator on Facebook profile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to put digital creator on Facebook profile. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Facebook account, and after that just log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged in into your Facebook account, just simply go to the profile section from the top of the screen. And over here, when you will scroll down, you will be able to see the option called edit profile, and right beside edit profile you will be able to see the three dot icon. Just simply tap on it, and over here you will see a bunch of different options. So just simply click on turn on professional mode, because in order to add digital creator on your Facebook profile you have to turn on the professional mode in your Facebook account. Just simply click on turn on from the blue tab, and now you have to turn on the default setting for public mode and click on continue. And now on this page you have to set up your profile successfully in order to get started and add digital creator to your Facebook profile. So when you will scroll down, you will be able to see the option called connect with your audience, in which you have to create a new content, a piece of content, in order to make sure that you have a digital presence in your Facebook account. And you also have to add detail about yourself. So just simply tap on detail about yourself, and after that you have to enter all these details, like you have to add your pronouns, you have to add your work, your secondary school, university, current city, hometown, and your relationship status. And the detail that you will select will be public and appears to at the top of your profile. And once you will fill all these details, you will see that your profile will have this title called digital creator. As you can see in this profile section, it has been written over here, digital creator. So just simply enter all these details and click on save. And once you enter all these details and click on save, your profile will be set as digital creator in the Facebook. So this is basically how you will be able to put digital creator on Facebook profile. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.